My name is Shama Collins. Stoneworld is a granite and marble fabricator. We're based in Kendal in Cumbria. The Mincemeat Industrial Estate is very well known for the Mint River and also the Kent River that flows right behind our estate. It was actually a Saturday night when it absolutely poured. The heavens had opened up. I knew immediately there was going to be quite a lot of flooding in Kendal. When I came, literally the waters were over a metre. This is where all of our stocks are kept, and the water was up till here. Almost there, and it was probably higher the night before. So when we came, we had mud and really dirty water all over the place. That meant that our stone was completely ruined. All of this stock was completely ruined. These machines are very expensive. They are around about £150,000, and then we had to arrange to replace those immediately. December being our busiest month, we had quite a lot of orders to fulfill, and my first reaction was, oh my God, how are we going to do this? Where quite a lot of our stocks and our machinery was all virtually underwater. The devastation was huge. It just made us feel that this was just going to be beyond our measure to look into how on earth we are going to start even implementing the insurance claim. My very first reaction was, I need to appoint an independent loss assessor who would help us to identify all the damage and work through that. I contacted Morgan Clark and was introduced to Mr. David Kelly, who then became our representative for Stoneworld Ltd. The very first thing that I found, David, you were very professional in dealing with the damage that was caused. You understood and explained to me exactly what information that I needed for you to present our case. And then basically you took over the initial presentation of these damages and claims, leaving us to get on with our running of the business. I think it was only within a few days and the funds were available straight away. Straight away we were able to replace our stocks and machinery, and so it allowed us to fulfill the orders that we had promised to our customers during that very difficult times. And I found that during this time we were so engrossed in probably the aftermath of the floods. We had to deal with the consequences in practical terms of clearing out all the mess and everything. And so the one thing that wasn't on our mind was how we're going to deal with this claim. You were dealing with it, and that was the best thing that ever happened. And I'm so glad that we had Morgan Clark working on the most important aspect of this devastation, and we were just working towards getting our business up and running properly again.